factors need to be identified or the performance measures. Targets, milestones. Balance scorecard is another tool to measure the KPIs nowadays. The performance prism. The goals and objectives can be strategic, operational, or developmental, or even behavioral. The meeting. The meeting of the performance appraisal meeting is not a meeting to tell you how bad you are. As I told you about the sandwich, the good, the area of improvement, and the good again. So that should be the general structure of the meeting. All performance reviews should have a face-to-face component between employee and manager. Every month, uninterrupted time should be reserved for the discussion. A part of your monthly schedule should be this. Employees should be given sufficient notice of meeting. It's not you call up and tell them, okay, Yasmin, tomorrow is performance meeting. Be ready and come over with your details. At least a week in advance. Or a schedule, a calendar should be drawn that every month on 25th we are going to have a review meeting. So be prepared. Both parties should prepare for the meeting to document performance and defend positions. Managers should use both praise and criticism in a sandwich format. Discuss and document both past and future performance. Documentation, ladies and gentlemen, is very, very important. Developmental activities should be planned. I will show you a form after this module which outlines this, which is called an individual development form. An appeal system for employees should be provided. Especially if you are doing management by objective, there should be a space given to employees. When you are writing the case study on performance management, please do not forget to mention this. An appeal system. You need to write down in your case study answers that whether an appeal system was given or not, whether sufficient time was given to employees or not, whether time was given to both parties to prepare for the meeting or not, whether the manager...
Which case was this one?
The performance appraisal. Okay? So these points you need to highlight in your case study. Are you clear? Now let's just hash it back once again. What are the areas you're going to look at when you're doing your performance appraisal? The time. How regular was the performance appraisal? How frequent was the performance appraisal? That whatever the case study will be for you, whatever will be given in the case study, you need to question that. That what was the frequency of the appraisal? What was the method that was used? Performance method, MBO, 360 degree what? Okay? Did the line manager give enough time? Was it documented? Did the employee have a clear idea about his targets at the beginning of the month? So these concepts you will need to challenge in your case study before you write in favor or against the situation.